To schedule the work, begin by selecting the school year, 2019-2020. It has 3 terms that last 12 weeks. We want to read The Outsiders 2 times or 2 segments per week during the first term. So go ahead and select 2 segments per week from the preset drop-down menu. But there's a problem. You have now scheduled to read The Outsiders 24 times during the first term. Your general instructions said to read 1 chapter per segment, but The Outsiders is only 12 chapters long. You need to do some fine-tuning to your schedule. Click the Show Individual Weeks button. Delete the scheduled segments for weeks 7 through 12. So now you have scheduled The Outsiders to be read 1 chapter per segment, 2 segments per week, for the first 6 weeks of Term 1. That's 12 chapters. Click Save. And that completes our walkthrough of the planning workflow. Happy homeschooling!